Hello YouTube, and Happy New Year. It's been a while since I put out a video, and I have 3 new 20-volt cordless Bauer tools I want to introduce you to. I'm going to call this my household line. The 3 items are a cordless vacuum cleaner, a tire inflator, and a hot glue gun. So let's get on with it. Alright, this is the Bauer 20-volt cordless vacuum cleaner. This one I bought yesterday at Harbor Freight. The price was $45, no coupon, that's the regular price. The other 2 items I've actually owned for about 2 or 3 months, and I've already used them, but I'm going to do an unboxing on the cordless vacuum cleaner. See, it comes well packed, as you can see. There's a floor tool. It's got a rubber squeegee-like material on the bottom. It's an extension tube. This is a brush attachment. Instruction booklet. And here is the vacuum itself. There is a 3-ring adapter. I think this is to keep all your attachments together. We'll find out later what it's really for. And here is the crevice tool, which will be handy for cleaning in between car seats and stuff like that. It comes with 3, looks like they're reusable filter cups. And I imagine there's one already installed in the vacuum cleaner. Oh yeah, I can tell already. Let's see, push that. Yes, there's one already installed in the vacuum cleaner. It tells you up, so I guess there's no mistaking what direction it is sort of keyed, so you can only put it in one way. So you put the bottom in first and then snap it. The only switch is on off. There's no variable power to this. Let's put a battery in it and see if it works. Okay, all right, we're back. I have a 5-volt battery. This is the top of the line battery for the Bauer. It comes, batteries are 3 sizes, 1.5 amp, 3 amp, and the largest one is a 5 amp. We slide that in. Does make it a little bit heavy. I'll probably use the 3 amp moving forward, and it works. Pretty good suction to it. We'll run some tests and see how well it picks up. Next item I'm gonna introduce is the Bauer tire inflator. It's actually called a 20-volt cordless power inflator. And they recommend, actually they use the word ideal for car tires, bicycle tires, wheelbarrow, and sport balls. Like I said, I actually opened this before, so I have used it on my travel trailer tires and car tires. It does come with a couple of attachments. They store right here in the top of the tool. This one adapter actually is two. It is a ball inflator needle, and there's some kind of adapter, I guess you can fill up inflatable toys. Put this, snaps right in there. This tool right here, I'm not sure if it's a Schrader valve adapter. It probably is. I'm not too familiar with the different valves on tires. So this tool works fairly well. It's not the fastest thing. It takes a while to fill up your tires. It's got a pressure gauge right on the front. And I have tested the gauge with a digital tire gauge, and it is pretty accurate. I'd say within a pound or two at the most. And we will be testing this one out as well. It says right on the tool the maximum PSI is 160. So I don't think I'll ever be able to test the maximum PSI on this tool, but that's what it says. Last but not least, this is the 20 volt full size glue gun. And this tool also has been used prior to this video. And I believe it comes with 3 glue sticks. I have used 2 of them already. Well, actually one is in the gun, and this is what a glue stick looks like that you get with the tool. I believe there are 3 of them included. And this is it. Let's stick the battery in from the Cordless vacuum. There is a on-off button at the top. Press that, and it is red. As you can see, there is a light that comes with the tool. When the tool is ready, this light will turn green. Alright, just turned 5:04. Let's see how long it takes to get the glue gun ready. Again, I'm using a 5 amp battery. Does add weight to the tool. The 3 amp, believe it or not, is the same size. I don't know if it weighs the same, but it is the same size battery. So I don't know if you're going to get any weight reduction using a 3 amp battery. Alright. Just turned 5:05. Light is still red. It just turned green. So, not very specific, but a little over a minute it took for the glue gun to be ready. I can see the glue coming out of the nozzle, squeezing the trigger, forces glue. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Let me turn this off.